Alright guys, we found a bird that hatched, but one of them died. Guys, look at this.
He's literally bleeding.
Don't pour water. I think it's gonna get worse. It's cold water, right?
Yes, it's cold.
What is cold water? It's nice right now. It's cold.
Okay, so this one's dead, guys. This one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's moving.
It's moving. You go.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's moving. Yo, you gotta thank me.
What? Don't.
Guys, it's moving.
Don't pick it up. Don't. Aaron's
It's
gonna.
bleeding.
Birdie,
It's
Birdie.
bleeding.
It's bleeding right now.
I don't know what to do.
Guys, it's bleeding.
Let me go kiss.
Send help. Yeah.
We're getting emergency. Guys, there's literally nest. Can you guys see it? Comment down below. My dad's picking the bird up right now, you guys. 아빠 여기다가 놔. 아빠 여기 위에.
He might be sleeping, you know.
이거 물 같은 거 줘봐.
Alright, part 2's coming.